A lot of patients come to us with the problem of fibromyalgia. So what are the symptoms of fibromyalgia? Symptoms of fibromyalgia mainly include vague pain in the body. It could be in the muscle, it could be in the joint or in the bone also. Then it can present as fatigability, or it can present as poor sleeps, because when the person tries to turn the side during the sleep, it can give rise to symptoms of fibromyalgia, that is vague pain. Now this is seen more commonly in females as compared to male, and between the ages of 30 to 50. Now this symptom is a very common symptom. So before we label somebody as suffering from fibromyalgia, we should do thorough investigations and clinical examination. A similar picture can be there in ankylosing spondylitis also, or in rheumatism also. So just because you have these symptoms, don't consider yourself a patient of fibromyalgia. Visit a rheumatologist or a physician or an orthopedic surgeon, get your test done, get your X-ray MRI done to rule any other underlying cause, or get your blood test related to rheumatism done to see if there is any rheumatism related issue with you. So once the diagnosis is certain that there is no other underlying problem and still there is pain, fatigability or restlessness, then the probable diagnosis can be fibromyalgia. Now if you are having fibromyalgia, there are 5 ways or 5 remedies for it. First is try to regularize your sleep cycle. Try to sleep for 8 hours. Second, you should do exercises. Any form of yoga, stretch, weight bearing exercise, or any other sort of exercise that you like, you should do, because endorphins, when released in the body, fights the symptom of fibromyalgia naturally. Third, your doctor might prescribe you medicines related to anti-inflammatory group or muscle relaxant group, or related to nerves, so that the nerves stimulation becomes less and the irritation of the nerve goes away. Fourthly, you may be advised physiotherapy. In physiotherapy, the physiotherapist might start with light exercises or might do modalities like IFT TENS, so that your pain, sensation, irritability goes down and muscles relax. Fifth and the most important thing is your lifestyle modification. If your life is very stressful, you should learn techniques to reduce the stress in your life. Meditation will help you here. Also, your diet should be better. You should have a good diet. Mainly you should have vitamin B12 and D in your diet, because these 2 deficiencies can also enhance the symptoms of fibromyalgia. So follow these 5 simple things for fibromyalgia treatment, and hopefully you will be fine and you will not get this problem again in your life. Thank you.